Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 5.4 and let me share with you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do this, and since we are in a photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. On the second position from the right, we've got the ratio, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got actually 5 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got 4 to 3 option applied, and you can say it because this option is highlighted, but we can also choose 1 to 1, and in order to change the ratio, just tap on the option. And as you can see, it immediately changes. What's more, the look of the camera, the shape of the camera also changes. Before it was rectangular, but right now it is, let's say, like a square. We can also choose, for example, 4 to 3, but with 48 megapixels. We can choose also 16 to 9 and full. So obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Be aware that after changing the ratio, the look of the camera will also change. For example, by tapping on full, we can change the camera and elongate it to the full screen. So as I said, it's up to you which option you'd like to use. So actually that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your Nokia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.